Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna give you a quick tour, a little Friday night tour of something new we're starting. It's we're going herbs here in this raised bed. This is really Allison's little deal here, but here's the raised bed, and I'm gonna put another. I got another one down there that you've seen, but she's talked me into moving it up here, so I'm gonna put it right here beside. And she is getting into some medicinal herbs and plants and stuff, really getting into it. So we can probably, we was actually going to kind of thinking about doing it today, but it's rained all day. So and I'll kind of go over a little bit more. I'll get her out here maybe and show, and I'll kind of show you what we got here with the herbs. They look really good. And of course, this is a 3x6x2 raised bed, and we filled it with bulk. Of course, we put the cardboard down, and then we filled it with wood chips, and then on top of that we put the bulk potting mix. And so far I like this mix pretty good. And so we planted, I think we planted these last week. So let me swap the camera around. I'll show you what she's got going on here. So right here, she's got basil, and it's Genovese, sage right here, all the way up to here. And she's got 2 rows of rosemary right here and right here. Here's that chamomile she talked about at the live last week. And then this is oregano, 2 rows of oregano. And then 1 row of thyme. And, I think they turned out really nice. Got a little bluebird. I got a little bluebird house over here, and one just went in. I think it really turns out really nice, and I'll get her to talk about this. Basically on the live, she'll talk about it a little bit more. Of course, we're not doing a live this week. It's Memorial Day. So like I said, we're gonna bring that other raised bed up and put it here. And she's got a bunch of stuff she's ordered. So I can't even start to even go over what all she got. I mean, I was there when she ordered it, but she's more into it than I am. So I'm gonna close the greenhouse up and call it a night. And I got everything watered in there. Ain't much vegetables left in there. It's all flowers and herbs. So, but I am going to, let's see, Sunday's video, I'll be planting seedless watermelons finally. And I've got a couple more tomatoes that I got from Baker's Creek we'll be planting. I got 2 different kinds of seedless. And I'm gonna try my hand at dill one more time. I think I'm gonna grow it in, start it in the green. I tried it in the greenhouse, and I read that it don't transplant well. And I think I put it in too small of a plug tray, so I'm gonna use a bigger plug tray and try it there. But anyway, I tried it down at the garden, and it hasn't come up, so I don't know, we'll see. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, a little quick video here about the herb garden, a little bit about her plans, and she's really excited about it. So she's got a lot of stuff in her mind and stuff, and we'll get it going. We'll do a more comprehensive video with her. All right, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.